In this short video I'd like to show you how I get this effect of a welding light by a simple flip-flop circuit. As you can see here, I set up a circuit with my old kit of electronic experiments I got from my parents when I was 10 years old, and I modified the flip-flop circuit by adjusting the resistors and capacitors so I get not blinking lights like of signal lamps, but a flickering light. I choose a white and green LED for the effect, and the LEDs are lit up with different timing. By simply manually turning the power on and off, you will get this light effect you can see in the windows of the locomotive shed. This is the schematics of my circuit. You can download this from my website. I used BD139 transistors not because of their power capacity, but I had no other transistors lying around, that's why. I built this circuit now on a simple grid board. It takes some time soldering the electronic parts to the board before I connect the LEDs to the components. First a test, and then I installed a light kit into the building. You can consider setting a monoflop on top of this kit, so when you press a button, the light effect is turned on and goes off by itself after some time. But that's up to you. Thank you for watching my video. All parts and tools I used are linked below in the video description as affiliate links, where you can buy the parts and tools you need to improve your model railway. If you like my video, please hit the thumbs up button below. And if you want to get more information to improve your model railway the non-expensive way, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit also the bell button, so you will be informed when I upload a new video. If you want to support me, you can hit the thanks button below and give me any amount you like, or you can use my PayPal link, or you can have a look at my Amazon wishlist. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.